All right, so on 40, here you have four equations, four unknowns. So we can still use our system solver for that. We access the custom tab, F3, choose the template. Okay, and as I start to move back, I'm going to go ahead and build this up. I know I need W and Z added to my set. So I'm going to go ahead and enter those inside the curved brackets. Okay, so I have W, X, Y, and Z. I'm going to write them in alphabetical order there. Okay, and then here in front, I'm going to go ahead and start typing in my equations. Okay, so I use W plus 2x plus 5y equals 11. After the and space, I'm going to type my second equation, negative 2w plus x plus 4y plus 2c equals negative 7. Okay, now I have my comma, but I need to put two more equations in here. So I'm going to go ahead and alpha lock. I'm going to tap the white alpha key twice so it's locked in place. I'm going to use space. Again, this change of sign key is the space. And I'm going to type AND. Okay, and now I know I'm going to have two more equations. So I'm going to go ahead and hit space. And I'm going to repeat these steps. Hit space, type in AND, and space again. So deselect the alpha key. And so now I can go back in between these ands. Again, notice I left enough space. You have to have a space before and after your equation. And so I can write my third equation here, which is W plus 2x minus 2y plus 5z equals 3. And then after my and a space, I can write my final equation, negative 3w plus x equals negative 1. So I've entered all my equations. I have the calculator set to give me solutions for w, x, y, and z. When I hit enter, I should get my answers. Okay, so I get 512 over 213 for w, 441 over 71 for x. If I scroll through, my y is negative 163 over 213, and finally my z is negative 569 over 213. So if I were to write this as the ordered set, there's my w, my x, my y, and my z.